Welcome back to Tameron Gulf Coast, and today we have this 2012 Nissan Frontier SV Crew Cab pickup. On the exterior of this Frontier we have a bed liner, rear step bumper, and power door mirrors. Inside you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 5, power windows and power door locks, and a CD player. This one-owner 2012 Nissan Frontier has less than 86,000 miles, and it comes with an AutoCheck buyback protection plan. Give us a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.